Artificial intelligence isn't simply changing jobs, it's changing the skills that employers value. And that leads to one important question. What should you start learning today to prepare for tomorrow? Many people assume the answer is obvious. Learn programming, become an AI engineer, study machine learning. Those are valuable skills, but they aren't the only path to success. In fact, according to the World Economic Forum, nearly 40% of the core skills required for work are expected to change before the end of this decade. That doesn't mean everyone needs to become a software developer. It means everyone needs to become a lifelong learner. The first skill is AI literacy. Think about computers. 25 years ago, computer skills were considered a specialist capability. Today, using a computer is simply part of everyday work. Artificial intelligence is following the same path. You don't need to understand every algorithm. You don't need to build your own AI model, but you do need to understand what AI can do, what it cannot do, and how to use it responsibly. The professionals who understand AI will have a significant advantage over those who ignore it, because understanding always comes before opportunity. The second skill is learning how to work with AI tools. Today's professionals use artificial intelligence to research information, summarize reports, generate ideas, analyze data, write code. Some of today's most popular AI applications may not even exist 5 years from now, but one thing will never change: the ability to learn new technology quickly. That skill will remain valuable throughout your career. The third skill may surprise you. Artificial intelligence can generate answers in seconds, but it cannot decide whether those answers are correct. It cannot fully understand your business, your customers, or the consequences of a poor decision. That's where human judgment becomes even more valuable, and in a world filled with AI-generated information, the people who ask better questions will make better decisions, and better decisions create better careers. The fourth skill is creativity. Many people believe artificial intelligence will replace creativity. The evidence suggests something very different. AI can generate thousands of ideas, but it cannot truly understand purpose, culture, emotion, or human experience. Technology expands possibilities. Human imagination creates meaning, and that's something no machine can replace. The fifth skill is communication. No matter how intelligent artificial intelligence becomes, people will always need leaders, teachers, consultants, sales professionals, managers, people who can explain complex ideas simply, build trust, inspire confidence, and bring people together. Communication isn't becoming less valuable. It's becoming more valuable than ever before, because trust has always been built between people. And perhaps the most important skill of all is adaptability. History teaches us that every technological revolution rewards the same type of person, not the strongest, not necessarily the smartest, but the one who adapts, the person who keeps learning, who experiments, who stays curious, who isn't afraid to embrace change, because the future doesn't wait for anyone. Over centuries, human history has been shaped by moments of extraordinary change. The steam engine, electricity, the computer, the internet, each innovation transformed the way people lived, the way businesses operated, and the way economies grew. Every one of those revolutions created uncertainty. People worried about losing their jobs, their businesses, their place in society. But history tells us something remarkable. While technology changed the nature of work, it also created opportunities that previous generations could never have imagined. Artificial intelligence is becoming the next chapter in that story. Yes, some jobs will disappear, many routine tasks will become automated, and countless professions will evolve. But that's only half the story. The other half is opportunity. According to the World Economic Forum, technological change is expected to create 170 million new jobs while displacing 92 million by the year 2030. That's a net gain of 78 million jobs, not because AI replaces people, but because every transformation creates new problems to solve, new industries to build, and new careers to discover. The question isn't whether AI will shape the future, it already is. The real question is, how will you respond? Will you wait until change becomes unavoidable, or will you prepare while the opportunity is still unfolding? Throughout this documentary, we've explored how AI is creating entirely new careers, transforming industries, changing the skills employers value, and giving individuals access to capabilities that once belonged only to the world's largest companies. But perhaps the biggest lesson has nothing to do with technology. It has everything to do with mindset, because the people who thrive during periods of change are rarely the ones who know everything. They're the ones who remain curious, who keep learning, who adapt, who see uncertainty not as a threat, but as an opportunity. 20 years from now, people may look back at this moment the same way we now look back at the birth of the internet. They'll wonder who recognized the opportunity early, who learned the new skills, who had the courage to embrace change instead of fearing it. That decision is being made today by millions of people around the world, including you. So whether you're a student planning your future, a professional thinking about your next career move, an entrepreneur building a business, or simply someone who wants to stay ahead of the changes shaping our world, remember this: artificial intelligence will continue to evolve, technology will continue to improve, but one thing is unlikely to change. People who continue learning will always have an advantage over those who stop, because the future doesn't belong to artificial intelligence. The future belongs to people who know how to use it wisely. If you found this video valuable and you want insights into artificial intelligence, the future of work, technology, business, and the global economy, then subscribe to FutureScope videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.